Hello everyone, and welcome to our podcast title, Drone Industry Outlook 2035. Today we will discuss the future development of drone technology and how it may transform industries, create new job opportunities, and support Malaysia's position in the global technology ecosystems. By the year 2035, drone technology is expected to become much more advanced than what we see today. At present, many drones are still operated manually or require close human supervision. However, in the future, drones will become more autonomous, intelligent, and connected. With the development of artificial intelligence, computer vision, machine learning, and advanced communication networks such as 5G and possibly 6G, drones will be able to perform more complex tasks with less human control. For example, future drones may be able to fly automatically, avoid obstacles, analyze their surroundings, and make real-time decisions. This means that drone will not only be used for simple photography or video recording, but also for inspection, delivery, emergency response, surveillance, and environmental monitoring. In aerial photography, drones may produce higher quality images, use smart tracking system, and collect data from areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans to access. Another important development is drone swarming technology. Instead of using only one drone, multiple drones may work together as a coordinated system. This can be useful for large-scale mapping, disaster management, agriculture, and infrastructure inspection. For example, a group of drones could inspect a large plantation of monitor flood affected area more quickly than human works. Battery life and payload capacity are also expected to improve by 2035. One of the current limitations of drones is that many of them cannot fly for very long or carry heavy items. With better batteries, lightweight materials, and improved engineering, drones may be able to fly longer distances, carry more equipment, and operate more efficiently. Overall, the future of drone technology is not only about flying machines. It is about combining drones with artificial intelligence, data analytics, automation, and digital systems. This will allow drones to become important tools in the digital economy and modern industries. Now let us move to how drone can support the digital economy and transform different industry.
Thank you. Drone technology has strong potential to support the digital economy because drones are not only physical devices, but also powerful data collection platforms. Drones can capture images, videos, location data, thermal data, and sensor information. When this data is processed using artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and big data analytics, it can help business and governments make faster and more accurate decisions. One important example is agriculture. In the future, farmers can use drones to monitor crop health, detect diseases, check soil conditions, and identify areas that need water or fertilizer. This can help increase productivity and reduce waste. Instead of checking large farms manually, drones can complete the task more quickly and provide detailed information. This is especially useful for countries like Malaysia, where agriculture and plantation industries such as palm oil are important to the economy. Drones can also transform the logistics and the delivery sector. By 2035, drone delivery may become more common, especially for small packages, medical supplies, and urgent goods. This can be useful in rural areas, islands, or places that are difficult to reach by road. For example, drones could deliver medicine to remote communities or send emergency supplies during floods. In construction and infrastructure, drones can be used to monitor project progress, inspect buildings, bridge, roads, and power lines. This improves safety because workers do not always need to climb dangerous structures or enter risky areas. Drone can also provide real-time images and data, helping project managers make better decisions. Healthcare is another sector that may benefit from drone technology. Drones can support the delivery of vaccines, blood samples, medical equipment, and emergency supplies. This is very important during natural disasters or in remote areas where transportation is slow. Environmental monitoring is also a key application. Drones can be used to monitor forests, rivers, wildlife, pollution, and disaster-prone areas. They can help detect illegal logging, monitor flood risks, and support conservation work. In public safety, drones can help police, firefighters, and rescue teams assess dangerous situations without putting people at risk. However, drone adoption also comes with challenges. These include privacy concerns, cybersecurity risk, airspace management, safety regulation, and public acceptance. For example, drones collect a lot of visual and location data, so clear rules are needed to prevent misuse. Drone systems must also be protected from hacking, especially when using in important sectors such as logistics, healthcare, or nation security. Therefore, drones can bring many benefits, but they must be managed responsibly. By 2035, industries that adopt drones effectively may become more efficient, data-driven, and competitive. Next, we will discuss future job opportunity and what Malaysia can do to become a drone technology hub.
Thank you. As drone technology grows, it will create many new job opportunities within the drone ecosystem. Many people may think that drone careers are only about becoming a drone pilot, but the future drone industry will need many different types of professionals. One important career is the drone pilot or drone operations manager. These people are responsible for flying drones safely, planning missions, and ensuring that drone operations follow regulations. However, as drones become more autonomous, the role of drone operators may shift from manual flying to system monitoring and mission planning. Another important career is drone data analyst. Since drones collect large amounts of data, industries will need people who can analyze images, maps, sensor readings, and other information. For example, in agriculture, a drone data analyst may study crop images to detect plant diseases. In construction, they may analyze aerial images to track project progress. There will also be demand for AI specialists, software developers, robotics engineers, cybersecurity experts, maintenance technicians, and drone traffic management specialists. These jobs require skills in programming, data analytics, artificial intelligence, computer vision, robotics, GIS mapping, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Soft skills such as problem solving, communication, teamwork, and critical thinking will also be important because drone projects often involve different industries and stakeholders. To produce more experts in drone technology by 2035, Malaysia needs a clear and strategic plan. First, universities and technical institutions should introduce more drone-related courses and training programs. These courses should not only teach students how to fly drones, but also cover AI, robotics, aviation safety, data analytics, and drone regulations. There will also be demand for AI specialists, software developers, robotics engineers, cybersecurity experts, maintenance technicians, and drone traffic management specialists. These jobs require skills in programming, data analytics, artificial intelligence, computer vision, robotics, GIS mapping, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Soft skills such as problem solving, communication, teamwork, and critical thinking will also be important because drone projects often involve different industries and stakeholders. To produce more experts in drone technology by 2035, Malaysia needs a clear and strategic plan. First, universities and technical institutions should introduce more drone-related courses and training programs. These courses should not only teach students how to fly drones, but also cover AI, robotics, aviation safety, data analytics, and drone regulations.